Good morning, everyone. If you're watching this, that means you're watching the replay. So type hashtag replay. And today is Slay May Day 14. Today was also my engagement anniversary. It was our 14th year. I was supposed to get ready, but it was a crazy day again. This whole week, I'm still packaging. Yesterday, after I packed like almost 20 orders, I I couldn't find one of the Lipsons. I don't even know which one it had. The package arrived. I always make sure I mark everything from the invoice. I feel like I saw the color, and then I had to pack everything because whatever that came in that package I had to pack right away. So I thought I will send it away to the customers immediately. Hi Shobna, good morning. So it was like by the time I finished packing I couldn't find it. Hi Kiki, good morning. So I have sent to all the customers, if they find it let me know too, because that's how crazy it was. I don't want to open every single package. It was like almost 15 to 20 of them, and I don't want to literally open and see in which one I had that color. So I was like, forget it. I can ask the customer itself. They can let me know if they have it. So today's topic, day 14. As I said, today was the 14th engagement anniversary for me, for us today, for not for me. So it feels so crazy. You see how much you have come in this 14 years, because as I always remember, I fought with them like crazy. Hi Jyoti, how are you? It's been a long time since I heard from you. I need to message you all, guys. Hi Abita. Abita, I know I hopped on right from talking to you. I will come back and message you. Hi Gautami, thank you so much. Thank you Shobna. It's that's what, like, on our engagement day I fought with him like crazy. It was like such a silly thing, but I showed like I had my big face on and I didn't even smile for the entire picture. It was like, even today I feel like so childish. I was like, how did I do that? Like I was like, I was so immature, and I was I was 25 at that time, I think. So it was like, now I feel like I did it very childishly, but that's how we learn. So today we are going to grab food from outside. My son has a what is it, like math 9 exam, so he's in. Thank you, dear. Thank you so much. So he's in school now, so I have to go pick him up, and then I need to go grab his food also. So then I have drop off in the post office with all the orders, and today the last order is coming, so that way every single order will go today, so that way I don't miss it. And so today it's application of Lipsons. It is like my favorite topic of all time, I should say, because that's where it all started. So I can do it even in my sleep. If you ask me, I will recite it without without missing a word. So the first step to do Lipsons is always make sure you clean your lips well, because you don't want any food particles or any makeup to be in your lips. You can use just water. In my the room, I don't have availability of water, so I always use witch hazel to clean my lips. You can get witch hazel pads, or as I said, you can just wipe it off with a clean cloth, so that should be fine. But you can see I had like left. I don't know whether you guys can see. You can see. Do you see, it's from the powder and anything, so that way you make sure you take it out before applying the Lipsons. That way Lipsons can bond really well to your lips. That way it can stay longer. As you all know, Lipsons is a patented lip concept. It is not a lip stain. It can work only with our own glosses. So when you start I was about to ask about the neotite to Shobna because it was in my mind. Yesterday, my husband came back running. He was like, I've just been using the neotite for a week, but I see so much because he will have like a little bit of lines here, and also he has the his eyes will be similar to yours, Shobna. It will be really dark. So he was like, I could see a difference now itself in a week's time. So I was actually about to ask you guys. So you love the watermelon mask. Even I am started to using it every night. So if you are a first time buyer, yes, Neotite is really good. I'm glad that we were able to grab all those before I closed. And even these days, I'm even moved what is it like to the powder so much. Like these days, for summer, I think I have powder most of the days unless I'm getting ready with CCTM or what is it like foundation for my special dress ups. If I'm doing like a simple look, then it's mostly powder. So today I have medium and also I have translucent on top of it. So if you're a first timer, you pick your color choice, any lip color of your choice, and you pick any gloss of your choice, and then you pick remover. I know people will always say I don't want the remover, but I would say if you have picked a very dark shade, then obviously you are going to come back and ask me for the remover at the end of day, because it's not like any other color where it's going to go by its own. It's going to stay. So that way you need to have the remover to remove it end of day without hurting your lips, because even our remover has vitamin A and shea butter and all. So that way you are not going to damage your lips while removing it, because so this is the starter kit. You can pick any color, any gloss, and your oops remover. So the oops remover will last you so long. You are not going to refill it as often as you do these two. The color and gloss, even if you wear it every single day, a color will last you for 6 months. That's how much product is there. So this is our usual size. They both are 0.25 ml. So if you have grabbed some of the smaller ones, they are 0.20 ounce. So still it's a good size. So here I have a color called Amber Spice. It's a limited edition color. So the other step for you to make sure the lip sense lasts longer is make sure to shake your lip sense to really well, because the pigments here are not mixed using any chemicals. So you need to make sure you shake your tube well. That way you get even payout. And if you are someone who likes to line your lip, you can use our lip sense liner colors. We have 6 of them, or this pointy tip itself is made to line your lips. I am not used to lining my lips, so I always skip out, directly go do my lip sense. So lip sense goes in 3 thin layers. So anytime when you do, make sure you scrape your wand really well. That way you don't need any thicker layers. Your layer has to be as thin as possible. That way it literally feels like your lips once it dries out. That's how it is. I'm going to do my first layer and then let me continue. So that's my first layer on top, and I'm going to do the bottom layer. So when you do, make sure you connect the water line. That's where your saliva and food, everything touches. I know there are many newbies here. Even though I have done it so many times, I really love to reiterate again and again. So when you do lip sense, it's not like your regular lipstick where you smudge in between. You can see it will stick until it dries. So you always make sure you keep your lips little open. I am used to talking without my lips touching. So but when you are doing as a beginner, you will feel like they are sticking. So always make sure to let it dry for a few seconds before you go for the second layer. And lip sense comes in 3 different types. It's either matte colors, are a shimmer color or a frost shade. So a matte color doesn't have any what's it, like glitters or any shine to it, whereas this is a frost shade. You can say it will have like a pearly finish to it, whereas if it is a shimmer, then it will have obviously the shimmer particles in it. So I'm going to go over my second layer. So as I said, always make sure to scrape our wand really well. That way you don't have to have any thicker layers. These and all is nice everyday shades. I think it's a sold out shade, but these kind of shades I really love. This one, Dusty Rose, Berry and all is my favorites. This package has many of the new first time Lipson's people, so I hope they all love it once they try it. And when you are first time trying Lipsons, you may feel a little bit of tingling. That's actually nothing to worry. Either your lips are a little dry, or our Lipsons has SD40 alcohol in it, which is a cosmetic grade alcohol. So what it does is it's going to prevent any bacterial buildup here, because the longevity of Lipsons is more. It's either 3 years open and 7 years unopened. So to prevent every time when we touch our lips and put it back, to avoid any bacterial growth, they have that SD40 in it, but it gets evaporated once you apply. So once you seal it with the lip gloss, you are not going to feel the tingling sensation at all. So it's nothing to worry, and you will get used to it. And if you gloss more even the day you don't wear Lipsons, then your lips will really heal and become really healthy. So I'm going to go over my third and final layer. So what are you guys planning for the weekend? My son was like, oh my god, my exams are over, I need to relax. That's how he will be. Having a teen at home, it's like always lazy weekends. So this is 3 layers of amber spice. You can see it doesn't have shimmer, but it has like a pearly finish. So that's why we call it as a frost shade. And overall, you guys have seen it, my own stash. I have almost I think 160 colors or something. We even counted it once in live. Any preference on the gloss? What is the new? Let me do any of the new glosses. Which is the newest one? I can do the Fiesta gloss. It's been so long. I can do Fiesta on top of this to add glitter. So that's what fun about it. See, this color doesn't have glitters, whereas I can add a gloss that has glitters to it, so to change the look. So every time when you gloss it differently, the color is going to look different. As you all know, I'm a gloss girl all time. All my first impressions will be with glossy gloss. So at least in these new videos, I'm trying to utilize all the glosses I have. So once you seal it, then it becomes all day wear and smudge resistant. The gloss can never be smudge resistant. Glosses are like lip balms, so it either gets absorbed or it gets transferred to, for example, being a pigmented gloss, if I drink water or something, you will see only the gloss, whereas the color becomes sealed and it's it's not transferable at all. It stays all day, and Lipsons acts as your sunscreen during summer. So Thank you, Kiki. Thank you so much. Even I am waiting to be back. I can't wait for the day to announce that I am back again. I know it's like I'm packing and doing stuff, so that way I feel like I'm still doing it, but I'm just waiting. What is it like? Hope it comes soon, but I'm sure until then. You all are going to support me and waiting for to what is it like for me to come back. So thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys hanging out, even though I don't sell. I'm so thankful for you guys for checking on me. There are so many who reached out to me to always ask like how I am doing or how is my day. You won't believe, actually I am napping. I go do my workouts. Even today I finished my workout for the day, so I already did my morning workout, so it's already done. And then I go evening walks with Cloudy these days. With we got his stroller, so that really helps. And afternoon we both hug and sleep actually. So he's my nap buddy, so he needs a longer nap, so we both will be hugging each other and sleep. I know, that's okay, Kiki. As I said, anyway, my husband got it for 2024. So once I'm back, I'm sure it is going to be even more fun. I'm actually enrolled to 2-3 classes also, so that way I keep myself occupied and learning more. For next month, if you guys have anything in mind, please do let me know. Like eye looks, or if you want to learn even one shadow sense color each day, I am ready to do. Like how I did lip sense, I can even show you guys. Like I can bring my shadow sense stack. That way I can just show you how to add one color, or anything you guys want I can do based on that. I am obviously going to show my what's the like my jewelry collection. I know that request was there for so long, so I will definitely show my earring collection, particularly my Jumuka collections. I have like a huge earring collection with me, and also my beautiful what is it like saris I would show. I know people always ask me to show how I drape, because I am a very I won't say I'm lazy, but I will not have time, because I usually get ready during the morning for my Fridays. So in that case, I have to make it quick so that my husband can resume back for his work. So he will just give me like 2-3 minutes for me to drape so that he can help me. So what I do is I always keep my saris ready as if it's like a ready-made one, so that I can drape it in less than 2 minutes. So that's one thing I always do. So the day I get time, the day I have more energy, I like to take few saris that I can keep it ready for the coming weeks. So that way whenever I have to do, I can quickly drape it and get ready for it, my makeup and all those stuff. So that way I know many of you always ask me that, so maybe I will try to show how I do that. And hi Anu, thank you so much for hopping on. And what else? As I said, and yes, Aparna, when I saw you only, I remembered what is that, like the diet I'm doing. They have had the new signups for July, so if anyone wants, you can approach me. It's completely free. It's run by all over the world by what's it like, mostly it's not all volunteers, but it's completely free. They will just ask like a very small amount for a donation to India, but it's up to you on how much you do. So Aparna, when I saw you, I remembered that. So the July one is going to open, so you can register. I will send you the code if you are interested. And the workouts I do, that is also completely free. The workouts are like Zoom workouts, but it is scheduled throughout the day. So because it's all over the world, so people can pick yes, Aparna, it suddenly struck me, because I was like sharing with 2-3 people, because they will accept only with referrals. Like they have to mention my name, like what I did, my email ID, phone number, all those stuff. So if you for the workouts also, it's completely free Zoom workout. So I really started enjoying, as I was saying, YouTube and all. Sure, Anu, I will send it out. So YouTube, I have done it so many times. I used to do walk at home, but these workouts are really fun because it's like mostly live, or else you can do recorded ones too. But yeah, Shabna, I will send it to you. So it is, the workouts is throughout the year. There is no limit, but the diet is only 90 days, I believe. So it's I am halfway done this week. I took a little break, but resuming Monday. It's really helped me. So far, I have done it twice, but it's healthy living. It's only Indian cooking. You need to do home cooking food, nothing much. It is not like prescribed food or buying outside and all, but it will be really, really fun to do that. So if anyone was interested in those things, please do ping me. I will share both the things, and you can register for either the workouts or the diet, anything based on your convenience. And as I was saying, Lipsons is my jam. Like even though I don't have any makeup, I really, really love to have just even the Lipsons, because it just brighten up your face and you don't need to have much makeup at all. And it is, yeah, I am a complete vegetarian, so it's based on whether you are vegetarian or non-vegetarian. They will give you the lenience. Like if they say chicken soup, then they will have like a chunky vegetable soup, something like, it's only anyway title, you are only going to make it, so they will give you all recipes and all those stuff, but we'll do it at home. So that's it. So anytime when you pick a Lipsons, make sure you pick a lip color of your choice, a gloss of your choice, and the remover. And as I was saying, Lipsons and the glosses both come, we have certain set of colors and glosses that are permanent. That means they will never go out, and those are popular shades, and they always throughout the year they will have limited editions which will sell out until it's the stock is there, otherwise it gets sold out. So that's it. So hope you all enjoyed your enjoy your weekend. I haven't posted the next week's schedule, I think, so most probably I will try to post tomorrow morning and hop on for my live tomorrow. I may go out, so based on that I will try to hop on for my live tomorrow and Sunday. You all enjoy your week.